Queen of Hearts Dronningen movie describes a complicated unconventional relationship between older women and young boy. This movie originally comes as NC-17 Denmark movie, the person who directed by el-Toukhy. Therefore this is consistent with some rough sex scenes happening between mature women and young boy. So I strongly recommend this is not suitable for viewers below under 15 age. Trine Dyrholm as Anne, Gustav Lindh as a Gustav, and Magnus Krepper as a Peter performing three main characters in this film. Even this film depends on three main characters, this film story flowing on two characters building up an abnormal relationship between these two characters. So let's talk about inside of this movie. Anne and Peter are husband and wife living in a beautiful modern house with two kids. Gustav is a young boy who born as a result of Peter's affair. For the school vacation, Peter brings Gustav to Peter's house. With these things Gustav lives this family member. But a day Anne see about a book that has read by Gustav. With this, she thinks a bit wide about this young boy, and she tries to be a bit close with Gustav. But Anne doesn't think this may be turning her life into an unconventional relationship with Gustav. Really, Gustav is a young handsome smart boy. Therefore there is no doubt about feeling him to his stepmother. Actually, Anne is also fed up with her lifestyle pattern with Peter and her family. But she doesn't have any other option to drive her life out from this fed up lifestyle. So Anne wants to get rid of this. For this, she dedicates her time to spend with her three kids, that mean including Gustav. This helps her to release stress and Anne and Gustav go close together. She takes her time to close with Gustav than before. With things happening like this, an unconventional association begins between Anne and Gustav. When we completely look inside of this movie after this movie story flows on this unconventional relationship. Anyhow, a day a girl who knows Anne and Gustav well sees while they're kissing each other somewhere. This makes big trouble for Anne and Gustav, and Anne decided to terminate this unconventional association. But this is not an easy task for Gustav, because he loves his stepmother's company. But Anne always tries to skip him. As a result of this, Peter brings back Gustav to another place. A day Gustav comes again to visit Anne. He threatens Anne to say everything to Peter which was happened between him and Anne. But it was unsuccessful. So finally, as a result of this unconventional association, Gustav has to be away from his life too. So this is the rough description of this movie. Even this starts with some joyful event, the movie goes end with keeping curiosity in the viewer's mind. So if you're interested in this movie, you can check the description links below. Also, I invite you to subscribe, like us.